Because you're a physical therapist, you're not afraid to face pain. Where many see obstacles, you see opportunities. Because you're a physical therapist, you're always looking for solutions to your patient's pain, dysfunction, or disability. Looking at the surface of a problem will never be good enough for you. You're poised to tackle your patient's problems using every molecule of your body and every modern tool available to heal them. Because you're a physical therapist, you're a scientist and a pioneer. You are willing to step beyond the crowd and lead the way. You dare to dream the future of the profession, a future where advanced diagnostic technologies of ultrasound imaging and electromyography are at your fingertips. Hands-on diagnostics helps you see your patient's pain. Together, we can create your future of physical therapy now. It's time for diagnostics in physical therapy. Seeing is believing. Join the movement now.